Do you ever just...
I would like to become a voice actress, so these are the voices of the day.
Ready, set.
Fucked up. Oh my god. Dude, what do you...
Para la clase de estudiar, de escribir para el fax.